Lauren, you want to come make these cookies?
Yeah. Each week of Advent, we will send out a cookie recipe for you to bake together with your family. We will use the message from each week's reading to help us through this season of Advent as we wait for the sweetest gift of the season, the birth of our Lord.
Week 3, we hear about John in the desert, spreading the news of the coming of the Lord. Let's use our desserts to spread the joy of this season. Share these dessert cookies with friends and family. Share the good news of the coming of our Lord, and share these sweet dessert cookies as we get closer to that great day of joy.
Holiday gift cookies. Let's prepare our ingredients.
1 box of yellow cake mix.
Check.
1/3 cup of flour.
It says a half.
Oh,
But we have that. Check.
1/2 cup of flour.
Check. Yeah. 1/3 cup canola oil.
Check.
2 eggs.
Check.
1 4-ounce container of applesauce.
Check.
1 6-ounce package of chocolate chips.
This is a 12-ounce package, so we'll just use half of it.
Okay, check. 1/2 cup chopped pecans. Optional.
We have that.
Okay.
And now we need to prepare the way for the cookies to be baked and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Yeah.
The next step says mix and blend well the first 5 ingredients in a large bowl.
So what are the first 5 ingredients?
The yellow cake mix and flour, canola oil, and eggs. Wait, that's 4.
And
applesauce.
Okay.
So we're gonna open up the cake. I'll open up the flour. This cake mix smells so good. Oops. I'm a mess already. So bad.
Half?
Oh, look at me. Love that. 1/2 cup. Half.
We're gonna cut those.
Okay, I put in the cake mix. Alright. Flour is coming. It's on its way. Okay. Flour. And then next we need the canola oil. 1/3 cup canola oil. 1/3 cup. I can do the eggs. We can, unless you, I can do the eggs. Thanks. Oops.
Okay, the eggs are in.
What's next?
We have to mix.
Mix it. What about the applesauce?
Oh, I forgot about the applesauce.
You just put the whole container in there?
It's a 4-ounce container. We need 4 ounces. So we just put the whole container.
And then we get ready to mix. So like scrape it out with this spoon. Gotta get every last ounce of there. This is gonna be bad because it's a big spoon. That'll do. Now we're just gonna mix it. You want me to take a turn? In a little bit. Okay. Put like water. Water? No, just.
You can take a turn now.
Thank you. You're welcome. I'm just looking forward to my turn.
We should clean up as we go along.
It looks really good. It's turning out nicely so far. Gotta get all of the dry part to mix with this wet clump here. It's not like it smells delicious. Oh, it does.
Would you like to take another turn?
Yeah. What's next? What do we have to do next? Stir in the chocolate chips and pecans. The pecans are optional though, right? We don't have to put them in if we don't want to. Do you want to? Do you want to? Kind of. Then we'll put in the pecans. So why don't you get the pecans ready? Okay, that's a good idea. I have one. Thank you. Half a cup. Is it okay that they're like cold or to smash them up? Smash them up, I think. Okay. So, it's a smasher. Okay. Just smash them on the counter? I don't know. Do we smash them on the counter? No. I could get a cutting board if you want. This isn't gonna go well. What do you think about how good? Do you think this looks good? Yeah, I think you should keep. Yeah, you can do the chocolate chips. Yeah. Oh god. I'm gonna make a paper bag maybe? Or a plastic bag? What do you think such a last? I mean, they're like smaller than they were, so. You can continue to mix that. Thanks. It's getting harder to stir. How many? What do we need? We need half a cup. Half a cup. Okay, so we got it. Yeah, I think this is good. Oops. Put it there for now. This French pecans, do you think for? No, we should do a half. I don't want to do all of them. Do you want to do them all? I mean, they're optional, so I guess we can really just put in however many we want, so that's fine. This is good.
So we pour in the pecans.
Now we'll put the chocolate chips.
Let's wait for the pour in the chocolate chips. We have to bag it out. So. Because it's a 12-ounce bag, I need 6 ounces of chocolate chips.
Can I have scissors? Oh, no, not something on the tray. Oh, I wonder why. So you just like eat the whole thing and pour it in? Yeah, about half. Should be good. That's about half. So now I gotta mix. Can I eat this? They're good chocolate chips. Oh, that looks so good. It does look very good. Ooh. Tell me when you want me to take a turn. And then after this, it's time we have to put them on the cookie sheet. Let me get a spoon now. Use our spoon, you can plop them on the cookie sheet. Alright, let's prepare our pan.
How do you think these are looking so far, Lauren?
I think they look good. You put like parchment paper on it?
Yeah, I got it.
There we go.
So put parchment paper on that, and then we'll scoop out. Yeah, scoop out the cookies with the table.
That's a little too much. It'll be okay though. That looks better. What am I supposed to do with the rest of this? Can I take a turn mixing?
Of course.
Deal with that.
Just put it down. Make sure to scoop that one. Yeah. Good job. Okay. Looks ready.
Okay, so what you saying? Where's the other spoon I just used?
In the dish. Over here.
Okay, take your spoon.
Wipe it off.
Actually, just so we can scoop a little bit on there. And then will you use your spoon to get it off my spoon?
Okay, our oven's ready.
The oven has been prepared. Does that look good?
I mean, you can go bigger, I think.
Just a little bit bigger, maybe. Oops.
Good.
Yeah, that looks better than the first one I made. Can we put one in there, I think?
I don't really know.
Now how far they're going to
Yeah,
spread out.
we can put them there.
Okay.
There. Ready? I'm stuck to it. Okay.
No, that'll be good. That's fine.
Okay.
Smells so good. It's going to be delicious.
Let's just do that. That's easier than the spoons.
Yeah.
It's a big cookie one. Sorry.
I like big cookies. The bigger the better.
Do you want to take a turn as the scooper?
I'll just do that.
Okay.
Oh, it's going to be
That's
better.
huge. Lauren.
Sorry. The bigger these cookies, the better for me.
So shaped so nicely. What is this?
Batter?
Yeah, but it's off the cookie.
Oh, God.
Sorry, dude. It's very sticky batter.
I realize that. Alright, so that all we can fit on the pan? Do another pan?
Alright, what does it have to do with that?
Well, our oven doesn't fit 2 things at once, so lots of weight in it. We can put them on.
Here.
The oven's ready. You can put them in.
You can put them in. I have to wash my hands because
Oh,
I'm
yeah. Okay, so.
Don't forget your oven mitts.
Yeah. Gotta put those bad boys on.
Okay.
Woo, that's roasty. Oops. There we go. And how long do we have to bake them for?
12 to 14 minutes. So set the timer for 12. We'll check them later. That's
While
ready.
that's cooking, we can set up our other sheet.
Maybe for this sheet,